What exactly is considered artificial intelligence? This question often puzzles many. Picture this. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like an umbrella. Underneath it, we find a wide array of technologies that all share a common trait. They mimic human intelligence. This industry has seen a rapid growth spurt, especially in the past year. AI has become a buzzword, a shiny new label that's often slapped onto various emerging technologies. But remember, not everything that glitters is gold. Some things are being called AI, which in essence are not. Just last year, the Biden administration took a significant step in this realm. They signed an executive order to develop AI, but in a safe and responsible way. They defined AI as a system that can make decisions, predictions, or recommendations that influence real or virtual environments. So, if you've been wondering about those chatbots or facial recognition technologies, yes, they are indeed examples of artificial intelligence. Let's dive a little deeper and look at some examples of AI that you might be familiar with. One of the most relatable examples is the ChatGPT, which has become a part of our daily lives in the blink of an eye. These are AI models that use human language inputs to generate text that's strikingly human-like. They can write poems, answer trivia, and even draft emails for you, all by predicting what comes next in a piece of text. Then there's facial recognition technology, which is an AI that uses people's images as inputs. It analyzes these images and makes predictions, like identifying a person or determining their emotional state. This technology has a wide range of applications, from unlocking your smartphone to enhancing security systems. In essence, these technologies use inputs to make predictions or decisions, which is a key characteristic of AI. AI is all around us, influencing both our real and virtual environments. Now that we've seen what AI is, it's equally important to understand what it isn't. Let's take a moment to demystify this. When we talk about AI, we're not referring to technology that simply crunches numbers or follows a predetermined set of rules. That's just regular old computing. Artificial intelligence stands apart because it's capable of making inferences. It takes input, analyzes it, and then uses that analysis to make predictions or decisions. It doesn't just follow a script. It learns, adapts, and speculates. It's like the difference between a calculator and a chess-playing robot. The calculator follows a set of rules to perform calculations, but the chess-playing robot analyzes the board, predicts the opponent's moves, and decides the best strategy. So the next time you come across a technology, ask yourself, is it making inferences or just following set rules? Like many areas in technology, AI is continuously evolving. Its growth has been explosive, especially in the past year, with applications ranging from chatbots to facial recognition. But it's important to remember that as this technology progresses, so too should our understanding and definitions of what constitutes AI. At present, we broadly define AI as machine-based systems that can make predictions, recommendations, or decisions to influence real or virtual environments. They perceive data, abstract it into models, and use these models to formulate options for action. However, as AI becomes more advanced and integrated into our daily lives, these definitions may need to adapt. Moreover, the regulations surrounding AI are also likely to change. As we grapple with the ethical and practical implications of AI, our legal frameworks will need to evolve to keep pace. The standards of AI are indeed evolving quickly. As we move forward, we can only anticipate even more advancements and changes in this exciting field of artificial intelligence. Let's recap what we've learned about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an umbrella term encompassing various technologies, growing rapidly and making its mark in numerous areas, from chatbots to facial recognition. It's a machine-based system that can, for a set of human-defined objectives, make predictions, recommendations, or decisions influencing real or virtual environments. Yet it's important to remember that not everything labeled as AI truly fits the bill. Technologies that rely solely on calculations based on set rules without making inferences or speculations don't qualify as AI. As we move forward, the definitions and regulations around AI will continue to evolve, just like the technology itself. The world of AI is vast and ever-changing, and it's clear that it's more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's shaping our world.